Hello everyone, I think we are ready to begin. This is the first meeting of PITCH&GO series of webinars. A recorded version of this webinar will be available. We are pleased to have an opportunity welcoming ambitious tech startups around the globe. New businesses often run in a perpetual crisis mode, but COVID-19 brought more turbulence to the market, and we would like to discuss how startups have been impacted and what opportunities might exist. My name is Dariia Vasylieva and I am GETVISION founder. We are a private investment boutique with core focus on investment banking services and private equity deals. We are pleased to welcome Denis, founder and CEO of NLSQL. NLSQL is Google for relative databases. So Denis, what is your new reality?
Hey everyone, Dariia, thank you for your introduction. The new reality is working from home for 10 hours in a day instead of 8 hours in the office. Home office now is mainstream for all companies worldwide. Everyone needs to get used with this new reality and continue to deliver amazing products for making our lives better.
So is there any trend emerging in your industry? Give us a few examples.
We do have a couple of powerful competitors from the Silicon Valley with unlimited marketing budgets and local presence in the United States. With new reality in place, we are on the same plate with them. Before, they was able to meet potential customers and promote their software personally. Nowadays, everything moves online. Despite startup locations, we have already get used to sell NLSQL by phone.
A crisis implies a situation where time is short and decisions have to be taken immediately. What are the biggest challenges you have had to cope with?
We have a couple of companies which postponed projects due to existing challenges. We invested a lot of times and efforts for the integration to Delta Airlines. It was a new industry for us, so we had to learn all industry KPIs and details during our mutual project with the amazing data team from Delta Airlines. The integration was almost completed, but they were forced to postpone our project for undefined period. Besides Delta Airlines, we do have postponed from another companies, like L'Oreal, for example. I'm not sure they are highly impacted by the global pandemic, but it was their internal decision to hold on with all new projects.
So do you see any positive changes and insights for your product today?
Sure, we got another 2 new projects from GlaxoSmithKline and Maxis IT. Both customers are from pharmacy industry. GSK is well-known company for everyone, and Maxis IT is dealing with the drug tests, which is really on demand right now. Both companies are interested to have NLSQL software available on yesterday. So we are working hard right now in order to meet expected deadlines. Also, we have available software to go for healthcare intensive care unit databases. Together with Medical Research Clinic in Germany, we've been developing it for 1 year already. The German Federal Ministry funding this project right now, and our software available for the healthcare industry as well.
So let's continue to the agenda. We're looking forward to hear about NLSQL project.
Okay, let me share my screen and continue with my slide.
Okay, great.
Please let me know once
Everything is great. Yeah, move on. Thank you.
Okay, nice. So NLSQL helps frontline employees to get required information by dropping a natural language request in a chat. Immediate access to company information provides anyone to make data-driven business decisions, which makes your business driven forward faster. So if to make complex simple, NLSQL is a Google for relational databases. What is the problems exists. Actually, we have like huge problem. Even with the modern tools like Power BI and Tableau, frontline employees don't know how to use it. That is the reason for poor data literacy and ability to get, understand, and use information in their business decisions. 1 billion workers worldwide makes business decisions every day, but only 1.5 million have analytics skills, which makes huge analytic bottleneck. Every time business owner should wait and wait until data skilled employees send him Excel report by email. So what is the benefits of using NLSQL software? First of all, it is a time decrease for making business decisions. The second is a cost reductions per cognitive automation process, increasing quality by avoiding human errors. Business intelligence tech interface is intuitive. Capacity can be increased without long build-up phase, non-stop performance, and employees do not waste any capacity for routine tasks. Avoiding human fraud by control and compliance check using our system. So actually, how it works, and it works like a usual chatbot application, for example, in Microsoft Teams. So we are already integrated into Microsoft Teams and have certified solution available and at business intelligence and analytics applications inside the Microsoft Teams. So here, as you can see, you can drop a message to the system and system get back to you with data visualization, text replies, tables, reports, etc. So now it is connected to the open data from census.go with internet worldwide trade balance statistic from the United States with export and import operations. So you can ask anything about import or export values from the United States and to the United States. So the another use case of our technology is this healthcare industry. With the healthcare industry, we created the open prototype I show you right now. It is a prototype connected to intensive care unit system, which has information about the patient you already have. So it can work like you see right now on the screen. You drop the message with a question about the patient's information and you get instant reply from the system. You can ask anything from antibiotics resistance or sensitivity to how many patients have been admitted to the ICU from different locations. You can ask personal patient information and even more. So the another very interesting use case, which we already implemented to the SAP Business One, it takes for us for 7 hours coding during the SAP Business One hackathon in Palma. So only 7 hours needed for us just to integrate our solution into Business One using the standard layer without changing any backend system or database structures. As you can see, based on this prototype demonstration, you can easily ask any information about your inventory, purchase order, or customer orders. The inventory analytics is very important for any enterprise in any size. So, as you probably mentioned, we already have certified solution by SAP and available for the installation from SAP App Center. So, what do you need in order to integrate our software into your IT ecosystem? So, here's a simple sample of software architecture of our solution. So our solution, it is NLSQL working as external API web services, which converts natural language to the structured query code. The business users inside your IT ecosystem through the natural language interface like Microsoft Teams, Slack, Skype, Telegram, whatever. Take the natural language request from the business user and send to the bot system. Bot system forwards this natural language request to our external API, which get back to the bot system with a structured query language code or any other structured code which required in order to get some calculated result from any system inside your IT ecosystem. So you get calculated results combined with the natural language reply to the business users and get back to the business user. So you don't need to provide us any confidential and sensitive information. So our solution already integrates to all the most commonly used database types, and we support any data visualization libraries you ever heard about. So that is actually all from my side. So I hope you enjoy my slides. And what's next, Dariia?
Yeah, time is up. Let's move to several questions from our guests. All other questions, Denis would be glad to answer later on via email. So first question is, how long usually it takes for you to integrate your solution to new clients?
Actually, usually it takes for 1 week in order to provide for testing our NLP to SQL API to the new customer.
Mm-hmm. And the second question would be, do you need a physical presence of your specialist during integration process?
No, actually, we don't need the physical presence of our employees because actually bot system is packed into a Docker container. So we can ship this Docker container to the customers in order customer install this Docker container. And no, we don't actually need any physical presence on site in order to install our software.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I think we achieved what we wanted for today, and I would like to thank you for sharing your experience with us, Denis. And until next time, goodbye, and thank you for watching us. Bye-bye.
Thank you. It was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.